Sciacca, so good they named it once. Okay, they did only name it once, but it is a really gorgeous little fishing town, a real proper gem of a town in Sicily. I think this one's not particularly on the tourist route, so not everybody gets to see it, but you guys do today with Michelle and I. Come on, let's get down to the port, village, town, Fishing Port of Sciacca. So we're just here in Sciacca. You can see the town behind me, rolls up of these hills, goes up. There's a steep slope down to this harbour here, and it's around about 2 o'clock, and we're anticipating, as are all these vehicles here, the fishing boats are going to come in through the harbour. Got the harbour entrance over here. The fishing boats are going to come in, and let's see what happens. Let's see how this transforms as the fishing boats come in. Bear in mind, these are communities, these are fishing communities. The people that come down here will come down each day. There are many white vans here with refrigeration units on them, and I'm guessing they'll be trying to get the fish as fresh as possible from the boats that come in and then off to market. And you've got stark contrast. We've got the tiny little vans here, little small local consumers. We've got the much larger white vans. You can feel the atmosphere starting to build. There are many men walking around, talking, chatting, honking of horns. Now, there are quite a few boats already in the harbour, but I suspect these are the boats that haven't gone out fishing or haven't gone out fishing at this particular time of day. So, as far as I know, we are waiting for the catches to come in. Now, I've said before about Italy and Sicily in particular being the land of small cars. And that's one of the reasons. You're going to get a lot of knocked, dents and bangs in these tiny little narrow roads. So this guy's fixing the net onto the rope on the floats. It's like a melangrano.
Questa è la rete che prende i pesci.
So this guy's bringing the ice down for these guys when they get the fish. The little vans here are coming down from the town with the ice shavings, and then he's selling it to the smaller vans who are filling up then with the ice, getting ready for the catches when they come in. So the first of the fish catches are coming in. This guy is starting to bring So this guy here has brought in sardines, perfectly sized, beautiful little sardines, and they're loading them up into the trucks, ready to go off to market. I've not really understood how this selling of fish from the fishermen works in the past, but what seems to be happening is the boats are coming in and the guys are on the phones negotiating their prices with the various truck or vans around, or maybe vendors in the town, because of course when these boats come in, and these are laden with sardines, I don't think these fishermen want to load them up onto their lorries and then drive them off to sell them to market. They want to sell them right here on the quayside. So it's obviously beneficial for them to get the best price they can and offload their fish. But there's quite a bit of tension. I can feel the phone calls that are being made are all about the price, negotiating the best price. And of course, these gentlemen here, these fishermen, come in every single day of the year and have this same routine. So there must be some sort of formula they work to. It's interesting, the guy you can see in the orange dungarees there is on the phone constantly. I think he's negotiating with even people quite close by about getting rid and selling off his sardines. They've got to sell them because they're all in those trays that you saw, waiting to go, and they don't want to spoil before they get to market. Now it seems to me that Magillano has sold his fish, and this guy here, Giovanni, is not sold his fish, so he's still negotiating. The guy in the truck here is picking up the load and loading up the truck nice and easy. Now the blue boat here, Giovanni, he still has a lot of fish on board, and he's yet to actually agree or to negotiate a price for these fish. So he's on the phone chatting, talking, and clearly this goes on every day. What a lot of work. And these guys have been out working all night. They're not just started, they've been out all night fishing, bringing in the fish. So it's a hard job, a hard work. Okay, it looks like this truck is going to be buying some of the fish from Giovanni also. So now all the small traders seem to be here buying from this guy, Adriana Madre, and they're buying single trays of prawns and shrimps. 00? 00.
E poi friggi.
Sì.
Oppure olio, aglio,
Sì, sì.
prendi questo, butti là,
Sì.
giri, metti il coperchio.
So the gentleman here is just telling me a little bit of 00 flour. He's going to coat those over, garlic. Then he's going to just fry them till they're tender in some cooking oil, and they're just perfect, just beautiful. Now he's telling me that big tray of crayfish was about 50 euros. So whether it was 50 euros, I don't know, but that's what he was telling me. Thank you.
Buono.
Bueno. Now yesterday it was beautiful and sunny down here, gorgeous. Today it's a lot cooler. The rain's starting to come in and I'm a fair weather fisherman. So we're going to call it a day, and I hope you've enjoyed this little look around the port of Sciacca. I'm going to get out before the rain starts to pour down. Be good, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. So I don't know if you're watching this because you've been to Sicily. Oops, traffic coming by. It's a pretty little road. We haven't got a clue where we are, have we?
No, but it's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day, and look at these gardens. Absolutely gorgeous. The Red Baron go over. Anyway, if you've been to Sicily, let us know. If you've been to Sciacca, let us know. And if you're watching this video just because you're looking at Sciacca as an option, let us know. And if you're regular viewers and you enjoyed the video, share the love. Michelle and I will see you in the next episode, which I think we're getting
I think you're getting a new
chef jacket. Oh, see you there.
Bye.